It is no secret that Indian markets love the Modi government. On the day BJP won the Lok Sabha elections under Narendra Modi's leadership in 2014, Sensex had risen up by 0.9%. The investors in the market, whether domestic or foreign, like a stable government, and therefore, when BJP came to power with a full majority in 2014, the market responded very positively. Investor sentiments were so high because after 25 years of coalition governments, a party had finally a majority on its own. Ever since BJP came to power at the centre, the performance of the stock markets has been directly proportional to the party's performance in every subsequent state assembly elections. Because if the same party is in power at the centre as well as in the state, streamlining of policies is much easier. The reformist agenda of the BJP is also responsible for the smooth sync in the performance of BJP and stock markets. And the centre of it all is one man, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The stock markets responded positively after most of the exit polls announced a comfortable majority of the NDA. The poll of exit polls by NDTV gave 302 seats to BJP-led NDA and 122 to the Congress-led UPA. The Print, a web portal led by Shekhar Gupta, gave 305 seats to NDA, 117 seats to UPA and 16 seats to the Mahagathbandhan. Along with that, 105 seats to the other regional parties in the poll of poll exit polls were also given. The stock markets reached a new high after the exit poll results were announced. Nifty, a benchmark index of the National Stock Exchange, rose by 280 points to reach 11,691, while Sensex, the benchmark of BSE, rose by 952 points to reach 38,877.93 in the first hour of trading. The positive sentiment in the market anticipating an NDA victory shows the faith of investors in the party. The correlation between NDA victory and stock markets performance has been well established. In the past as well, we have seen when NDA scores big in the polls, market responds positively. We analyzed the performance of Sensex with respect to BJP's performance in state elections that took place after Narendra Modi won the historic 2014 Lok Sabha elections. The numbers present a very interesting story. Investors have much more faith in the Modi government than in any other. This faith is not without reason. PM Modi has brought the macroeconomic status of the country to a significantly better condition than what he inherited from the previous UPA regime. The fiscal deficit has come down from about 5% of the GDP in 2012-13 to about 3.5% in the 2017-18. The inflation rate has been brought down to 4% from 10% in 2012. The GDP growth of the country has been remarkable under the Modi government. The sound macroeconomic conditions will help India to attain PM Modi's dream of a double-digit economic growth. After coming to the centre as the Prime Minister of the country, Narendra Modi took some bold reforms such as demonetization, GST and IBC to improve the business conditions in the country. The impact of these reforms is visible in the improvement of ease of doing business and healthy economic growth. PM Modi enjoys high trust ratings among international financial institutions like the World Bank and the IMF, along with rating agencies like S&P, Moody's and many others. Therefore, the foreign investors are bullish about Indian economy as long as Narendra Modi is in power.